To keep our robot inside the sumo rink, it will need to be able to detect the difference between the white inside of the sumo rink and the black outside of the sumo rink. To do this, Fusion can use an optical distance sensor. This is the Python program to read the optical distance sensor. In this tutorial, we would see how to build this Python program up from a Blockly program. First, we log into Fusion. I am logging in at the user level, but admin level account would also be fine. Next, we can launch Blockly. We'll look at an example that Modern Robotics has given us. Go to the menu item Help, Examples, Intermediate, Optical Distance Sensor, and we have the odsread.blk program. This is the Blockly program. This is the Python equivalent. This is what we're aiming at. Let's get rid of this and build each program up piece by piece. First, get the Blockly start block. The Python equivalent of the start block is import Fusion, and it imports the Fusion drivers, which bring all of the drivers to allow Fusion's Raspberry Pi computer to talk to the various Fusion sensors. Next, bring in a loop. In Blockly, we start at the top here. It repeats while the condition is true. That means it'll always repeat, and everything in this gap continually repeats until we stop it. Now, if we look at the Python code, what happens is not quite so clear. Let me get an extra Blockly command and add exit to the end of the Blockly program. Now, the repeat will go on forever, so it will never reach that end exit command, but what this does is permit me to show you what happens in Python. The beginning of the Blockly loop is here. The beginning of the Python loop is here. The end of the Blockly loop is here. The end of the Python loop is here. You will notice that instead of being part of a loop or fork shape in Blockly, in Python, the repeat is just the code that is indented. Everything between the while and the exit, everything that is indented, is what is repeated in the Python loop. You'll notice the exit command is not indented, and so this is not part of the loop in Python. The pass statement is a null statement. It does nothing. It's only there to remind us that we've got to put anything that we want repeated tabbed in by that amount. And we'll eliminate that pass statement as soon as we go on to the next part of our program. Next, we want to read the amount of light that's reflected below the optical distance sensor. In the diagram, you can see the red light of the optical distance sensor shining at the black edge of the sumo rink. The amount of light reflected from that black edge goes back to the optical distance sensor and can be measured. Download the optical distance sensor command. We'll go down to the text menu and bring up the print command and add that to our Blockly program. Now, when we've added the read optical distance sensor, you'll notice an extra command, optical distance sensor equivalent in Python. This shows Fusion can read the optical distance sensor connected to Fusion slot A0 if you followed the standard Fusion build. Add the print command to print this reading. To slow down the printed numbers on the screen, we will put a 1/10 of a second wait inside the loop. Now we can run this program by pressing on the green triangle. First, we need to save the program. We call it black reading version 1, V1. You can see when we run it, we're getting readings below 100. We press the red square to stop this program running. We can now move fusion so the optical distance sensor is over the white area of the SUMO rink. We can start the program again by pressing the green triangle again. This time we get readings over 900 as more of the light is reflected from the white area of the SUMO rink. This demonstrates that we can use the optical distance sensor to clearly distinguish between the white center and the black surrounds of the SUMO rink. Press the red square to stop the program running, and we can go on to the next tutorial to find out how to use this difference in readings to keep fusion inside the SUMO rink. Thank you for watching.